What if I told you that in only 4 weeks you could change your life? In this video, I'm going to explain to you exactly how you can flip the switch and finally become productive with these 4 steps. Without wasting time, let's get into it. Don't wait for motivation. Instead, you need to build discipline. Discipline is the practice of doing what you need to do, even when you don't want to. There is a region in your brain called the anterior mid-cingulate cortex. When you force yourself to do something that you do not want to do, this part grows. With 4 weeks of discipline practice, your brain will grow used to it. You will hardwire your brain into being disciplined. Ignore social media, and I am very serious about this. You waste hours of your day scrolling endlessly through Reels and TikToks. You could spend those hours studying, building your brand, working, exercising. Your time is valuable. I understand that you get distracted. This is why you need to utilize the built-in tools in your phone and apps to set a limit for daily social media usage. Be patient. This is the biggest mistake you make. You expect results quick, and when you don't get it, you become disappointed. Due to social media, we are used to short-term gratification. You need to change that. For the duration of 4 weeks, I need you to ignore results altogether. Erase your expectations. Focus on the action only. If you apply these tips for just 4 weeks, you will see massive improvement, not just in your productivity, but in every part of your life. Your health, your grades, your income, your self-esteem, everything will begin to improve. And the 4th secret step. After this video ends, I need you to get up and do something you have been procrastinating for a long time. It can be anything that you have been ignoring. Get up and start that. Start your journey now.